Hello friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I've come with a very nice and simple healthy recipe which is commonly known as yogurt curry. In common language in India we call it as a Dahi Curry. And to do this recipe, let's go and start it. And to begin, let's take 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of clarified butter which is Dalda. Once the oil is heated, let's add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 finely chopped garlic, few curry leaves, and 1 green chilli. Let's fry this for a minute. Now let's add 1 chopped onion, and now let's fry this until the onion is completely translucent. Once the onion is slightly translucent, now let's add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of plain yogurt. Now let's give a mix. After giving a good mix, now let's keep on stirring this for a minute. Let's add some salt as per taste. Now let's add 1 cup of water. You can add water more or less as per the consistency that you require for yourself. Now I'm going to add finely chopped fresh coriander. And let's give a mix and let it cook for another 2 minutes. So friends, our dahi curry is ready now. Serve this with hot rice and enjoy this with your family. So friends, if you have really liked our recipe the way how we have made it, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.